statements are to convert your negative thoughts into positive and to make you success in your life. I am a successful person. Everything goes well with me. I am an honest person. I believe in me. I am an independent speaker. Everything is possible for me. I keep a positive attitude from all sides. I have many good qualities. I can reach my goal by crossing all limits. I believe in me. I am born to do something big. I am born for a special purpose. I am different. There is no limit to my success. I am very happy. I have lots of knowledge. I use my knowledge for all good works. I am a kind person. I will try my best to be of use to everyone. No one can beat me except me. I will conquer the whole world. I am a fearless person. I will overcome all the obstacles that come my way. I will be kind towards my society. I will treat everyone well. I will not argue with anyone. I will never leave my companions alone in tough tones. I have everything. I am happy with myself. My thoughts attract everyone. I live with pure love for all. I do all my work myself. I will do hard work. I will remove all the negative thoughts from my mind, and I will be filled with positive thoughts. I will rectify all my mistakes. I will learn from my mistakes. Whatever happens, it happens only for the good. Everything will always be good in my life. I talk to myself. I talk to myself well. I love talking to myself. I make my own rules, and I follow those rules. I will forget yesterday. From today I will focus on tomorrow. My tomorrow will be very beautiful. Make today my shield and I will improve tomorrow. I am thankful. No one wants my bad. Everyone loves me. I also do not wish anyone bad. I also love everyone. I try that. Everyone gets well because of me. I have an art in me. I will win this world on the basis of my art. I will share knowledge about my art to the people. Knowledge grows only by sharing. I talk to myself. I talk to myself well. I love talking to myself. I make my own rules, and I follow those rules. With everyone's love and blessings, I will become a better person. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to your channel for more colorful and peaceful affirmations. Have a good and safe life.